In the heart of Zakiganj, a new light of learning is rising.
Welcome to Praxis Zakiganj, where dreams take shape through English and confidence.
Welcome to Praxis Zakiganj, where dreams take shape through English and confidence. From spoken English to IELTS and life skills, we prepare you for success beyond borders.
Every session builds your courage. Every word brings you closer to your dream.
At Praxis Care Unit, every learner is guided with heart, because your success is our mission.
Our learners are now studying and succeeding abroad, carrying the name of Praxis Zakiganj with pride.
Now, it's your time to rise. Believe in yourself, Owsley. Your journey begins here.